Hey guys, this is my whole entire fire alarm and smoke alarm collection. Yes, I actually found that one again. It was missing for a year, almost for a year now. I found it I think I found it in a shelf. Been sitting in there because I was messing around with it and I just threw it in a shelf. Been in there for a year. Surprised I not found it since. Anyway, here's by the Simplex devices. Oh, this is by Simplex, but not that system since it's sync module. Here's two Simplex 9219s, a Simplex 4939215 originally till I made it to the 9237, Simplex 9236, Simplex 4903 9426, 4903 9405. No, sim, hold up. Simplex 493 9426 and Simplex 493 9425. This one of these are the 20. They are both 2099s, but I think they are one of them is the 9754. There's all that and the Simplex horn right there. That one. I'm thinking I want to get a new strobe plate for that. Like one of these. Imagine the fire letter is red and the body is white. And this thing here, sync module, MDL sync module, it does not work on electronic horns anymore. It just works on electromechanical horns. And I'm going to show you back all these. I have three electromechanical horns now. They all work. Sync module, the horn, all those devices. Alright, now we're going to the smoke alarms. This by these 4 rows of devices. This thing is a First Alert, no, Kidde. It's a Kidde smoke alarm, forgot what model. I forgot what all these models are. There's the regular type and the smaller type and the Kidde of voice and carbon monoxide and smoke. Here's a version of First Alert. I found it like a few days ago. I mean, no, a few hours ago, trying to rumble through my crap, and I found it. This one been gone for a whole entire year. Here's my Family Guard and First Alert. They both have the same pieces in them. And here's my Sears. This thing is good. This thing, someone gave me this. One of my neighbors gave me this. And that's my whole collection. I'm going to show you all the backs. Now that one sometimes falls off. Some of these devices, we got this like these we got, I got like a few months ago. This one like 1 month ago, a few months ago. This one's like probably like 8 years ago, a few years ago. This one's from 2023. This one's, I had it for a couple months, but it's from, I have it from like a few months now, but it's like from 1977. And this one's from 94, 2000. No, yeah, 94, but the horn's from 2012, 94, something, I don't know, all these, 97, 2002, Family Guard does not have nothing on them. And here's, I'm going to give you all a close look with all of these. Now one time, flip them all back, and I lost the parts of this smoke detector. Alright, what time to do the pulls? The True Alerts, those horns and sync module do the 37. I like to call it 36. Well, this thing is at least 37 now, because it's 30 Candela in the 19s. There you go. Like I said about the mechanical horn there, I'm thinking putting a white 49 through like these. Finer red letters red and the body's white. Close to look with all of them. Thank you for watching. Bye.